This super simple app is making millions of dollars in revenue, and here's the screenshot to prove it. The habit tracking market is a $1.7 billion industry. These apps are simple to build and highly addictive. And I'm going to show you how to create a complete habit tracker app, add payment systems, monetize features, all without writing a single line of code. I'm going to give Base44's AI Code Builder today its first prompt. Create a habit tracking app that helps users build consistent daily routines with a maximum of 12 habits. The landing page design should look modern and motivating, showcasing the app's key features like streak tracking, progress visualization, and achievement badges. While that gets to work, let me explain the prompt. The habit tracking market is saturated with apps that all do the exact same thing with slight variations. You're destined to fail if you don't differentiate in this market. So instead of focusing on habit tracking features, I'm going to focus on psychology. The way I'm going to differentiate my habit tracker is to build in social accountability and sharing features, to limit habits to 12 maximum, and to add gamification. Research shows that users who only track up to 12 habits are 3 times more likely to stick with your app because it forces intentionality. You can't just add every random goal. You have to choose what actually matters. But there's a million different ways you can differentiate your apps. Here's some examples. Streaks emphasizes maintaining long streaks, quick check-ins, and with beautiful widgets and visuals. Habitica turns habit building into a full RPG game. Your character levels up, earns rewards, and fights bosses. Fabulous is a science-backed app with guided coaching journeys, daily rituals, and progressive challenges. Make sure it has a unique design and its own set of features. Alright, Base44 has just come back with our initial design. Let's take a look. Now, I love this color scheme. It's vibrant, similar to Instagram. It's going to stand out with our target audience. Base44 has built a simple, clean landing page with a powerful header. It's visually very clear what this page is about, and that's going to help us convert visitors into customers. We've got a feature section here explaining all the features, streak tracking, scheduling, progress visualization. It's all there. And if we scroll down a bit further, we can see info on achievements. This is a great start. Now, I've used Base44 today, but I want to show you the difference so you can make up your own mind. I created the initial landing page in a couple of different AI code builders, and here's a quick comparison. The other AI code builders just didn't quite nail it today. Now, this is just my personal preference, but the designs felt a bit flat, and a habit tracker has to stand out. Base44's design is vibrant, unique, fun, and engaging. It clearly gets the message across and appeals to our target audience. So the tool I'm going to use today is Base44. I've been using these code builders for a while now, and Base44 has come a long way from when I started. It's a really powerful platform, great for beginners. You basically just describe your app idea in plain English, and it does all the heavy lifting for you. No coding required. I've left a link in the description for you to try it out. So let's go ahead and give Base44 our next prompt. Alright, so let's log in and take a look. At the top here, we've got widgets where we can quickly see our progress, streak, check-ins, and number of habits. Then we've got a habits list underneath that where I can click to complete a habit for the day. If I click, that automatically updates. We've got a weekly tracker view with a range here to show how many habits we completed each day, and underneath we've got an achievements section. So let's give Base44 its next prompt. Design a compelling social feature called accountability circles, where a user can find friends via the feature and create and join challenges. And just like that, Base44 gets to work. Apps with social features don't only increase accountability, they naturally market themselves. So for monetization, let's keep this in mind. We don't want to restrict use, we want to make it easy to use and promote sharing. And just like that, Base44 has come back with our next feature. Let's take a look. At the top of the page, I have a new menu item, Circles. If I click that, it takes me through to a new page. You can see here via the widgets, I've already created one here for my 5K run club. Now, if I click Find Friends, I can search by username or email. If I click Add a new circle, I can add a new group. Let's call it Streak Squad. Select an icon and create a group. or circle as we call it. That instantly shows up on the page, and if I click on that, I can start to add our challenges. Let's say I want to track calories every day. I just click on new challenge, add a title, set a duration, and select an icon. Click create a challenge, and off we go. Back on the home page, I can see all the challenges I've signed up to. Now this is looking great, but we need a way to monetize it. Let's do that next. Building apps is actually the easy part. It's maybe 20% of the battle. The other 80%, that's marketing, retention mechanics, and monetization strategy. I've got some videos coming up showing you exactly how to market your apps and get paying customers. So make sure to smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Most people fail not because they can't build, but because they can't market their products. Now let's finish building this app because you need something worth selling before you can sell it. So we have a habit tracker with social features that allow you to add friends and challenges. But how can we monetize it? I'm going to ask Base44 to add its next feature. Add a monetization feature where businesses can buy ad placements from the landing page. The ad should appear above the habits on the dashboard. Add a logo, business name, and link to the business. Let's give it a couple of minutes and see what it comes back with. And here we go. Now on the landing page, if I scroll down to the footer, I can see it's added the link to advertise. Clicking on that opens up a form, and as a business, I can add my details. Add a logo, add a tagline, and then when I submit it, a payment link gets sent out. I've gone ahead and purchased an ad so you can see what this looks like inside the ad. Now if we go to the home page, we can see my ad placement directly above the habits list. Clicking that link takes me to my business in another browser. So you're not asking for money up front when users are skeptical. I would only show ads to users that had used the app for 30 days or so. You let them experience the value first, build a streak, track their progress, and when they want more, you either offer them a premium tier or they get ads. So let's add a feature for them to opt out of ads and purchase a premium subscription. Under the ad, add a small line, want to see less ads. Clicking that takes you to a page where you can purchase a premium membership. Add an option at the top where if you invite a friend, you get a free month. Honestly, the best growth strategy for a habit tracker is building virality into the app itself. Adding social features like this is the quickest way to grow an app. Let users share their streaks on social media. When someone hits a 30-day streak, prompt them to post a celebration image. This image includes your app's name and a download link. Every share is free marketing, and the more of these type of features you can build into your app, the quicker it will grow. Now let's see what Base44 has built. Great, there's a small indiscreet line added under the ad. Clicking that takes us to a memberships page, and at the top of the page we have an option to invite a friend, where both customers get 1 month free. Below that, we have an option to purchase a paid subscription at $4.99 a month, which is very reasonable. Now, if you want to learn more tactics on how to market your app, I created a video on how to get your first 100, 1,000, or even 10,000 paying customers. And when you pair that with this video, your results are going to be explosive. Listen, everything I just showed you, social sharing, memberships, advertising, this all works with dozens of other app ideas. Habit trackers are just one example. Base44 has a load of templates to help you get started. There's a link in the description. So go out there and build something, and I'll see you in the next one.